Video I will show you how you can make open or private party in Valorant on PS5 and Xbox. So if your party is open, your friends can go to your friend list, find you, and then they can join your party. And if the party is private, if they want to join, they need to send request, or you can send request to them, and if you or they accept it, then you will be in the party, right? And to change this option super fast and easy, what you need to do here, you need to open up play. For me, I'm using PS5 controller, so it's triangle, and then here, as you can see, it should be party closed or private. So if this button is not turned on, this means the party is open, and if it's as you can see here, turn on with the green thing here, now as you can see here, party open, and now it's private, right? As you can see here, it says everything is set here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.